Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for watching. And if you are looking for other resources on the Shopify platform, don't forget to subscribe and check out the Mastering Shopify playlist where I go through all of the getting started videos for the platform. In this video, we will be going over how to create a $20 or less collection. This will allow you to add it to your navigation for your customers to be able to go and shop those products that are under a specific amount. You can also use the collections to do other things such as shop by color, by brand type. So this can be applied across the board. But for this video, we will be going over how to create a $20 or less collection. So we're going to go to our products. And under products, we'll go to collections. And we will click create collection. This will open up the collection editor. Here, we will go ahead and name this collection $20 or less. You can add a description here. This will be shown to your customers. If you want a specific image shown, you could drop it here. If not, it will pull from the products that you've added to this collection. We want to make sure that our collection template is selected under the online store, and depending on the theme that you have installed, there may be more than one. Then we will come down to collection type, where this will be an automated one, and we're going to set it as product price and less than, and you will put in the amount here, and we will click save. That will pull in any products that are less than $20 on our shop. So that is how you make a $20 or less collection for your Shopify store.